Thank you so much for the award as well. And we want to, I think the award definitely is something of a plus to the firm and also the investment team. I think the award also means that the alignment of the philosophy for in terms of investing for our clients, and then also achieving the set targets and objective of the fund, and then also something that also reflects the investments team approach in terms of investments. It's also a validation of the strategy. It means that the strategy has worked well for the customers, and then also the returns has also delivered, and then it also means that it also means well for our partnership with our business partners as well. And definitely it's also motivation for the team and the firm to do more, to deliver more for our clients, because it's a testament of success for some of these awards that's been given to the firm and also the investment team. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I think this is a very good question in terms of how we navigate current market conditions that's been a bit more volatile. Firstly, I think we need to diversify in terms of our asset allocation, be it into relatively into whether is it riskier assets such as equities, or more moderate risk ones like your bonds, and then do you do also derivatives to hedge some of these risks. So I think I cannot emphasize more to say that diversification actually reduces risk for our portfolios. And I think in terms of speed of information these days are traveling at a vast speed. So I think in terms of staying ahead and relevant, I need to be in touch with the latest developments. But of course, we will also have a strategy to see whether these are just noises and whether we are able to filter some of these to make a success in the strategy itself. Of course, after a strategy has been done, we also do a continuous assessment in terms of monitoring how has it been progressing, and then this is to ensure that we are flexible and also adaptable in changing or tweaking some of the strategies to ensure that we maximize return and also at the risk that is more manageable. Yeah. Yeah, so I think this is a good question also in terms of assessing the readiness of the team. We always ensure that and staying ahead, we invest in the team, the investment team especially, to get them certified for qualifications. For example, like the in thing now is about ESG. We also get our team members, especially the research team, to be ESG certified as well, so that the whole process, the whole investment philosophy also speaks, from with these credentials. And of course, I think staying ahead of the curve, we continue to also invest in equipping ourselves with latest research, latest analysis, so that we also ensure that we stay ahead in terms of our approach towards investments. In terms of the other things, like I think in terms of agility and flexibility, I think I also mentioned earlier, that is also something that's important because we need to be fast enough to also respond to developments in markets these days. Sometimes could also be geopolitical risk, sometimes could also be other forms of risk that we do not anticipate. I think we need to be able to respond and also come up with a strategy in a short period of time to respond to all these surprises. So I think the key thing here is to maximize return and then keep risk manageable.